Hey guys, how's it going? How to organize voter outreach. So, to organize effective voter outreach, follow these steps. Determine what you want to achieve. Increase your voter registration, educate voters on issues, decide which communities or demographics you want to reach. Assemble materials like brochures, flyers, and informational packets about the voting process and important details. Recruit volunteers or staff who are passionate about the cause to help with outreach efforts. Use various methods like door-to-door canvassing, phone banking, community events, and social media. Collaborate with community groups, schools, and churches to expand your reach, and ensure all volunteers are knowledgeable about voting rights and the processes to provide accurate information. Keep in touch with the individuals to reach out to, reminding them of deadlines and encouraging participation. By taking these steps, you can create an effective voter outreach campaign. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.